Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will to teach you how to make a button like this, which will going to show you how this bubble is animation that you wanted for yourself, as it has taken the basically we have defined the normal boilerplate of the HTML and give it a take a button as bubbly button class and right click me here. Okay, and in its normal class we have taken the color as font size as 16 pixel, font family as Helvetica, area and surface safety, and text align as center, background as white, light creamy white, font as Helvetica as similar, display as inline block, font size as 1 em, padding as 1 em, second em, margin top as 100 pixel, margin bottom as 16 pixel, 60 pixel, web text appearance none and normal appearance as none, background color as of the button as this. For your reference, we have defined the little pinkish background and the background as little whitish, and then the border radius as 8 pixel. If you want to increase the border radius for smoother look, then you can go ahead of it. Border as none, cursor pointer, position as relative, translation transfer position as this, transform animes trans this, and box shadow and background color and box shadow right here will going to happen as in the little darkest version of it as 0, 4 and 30 pixel. Then the hover effect of it, and it will going to transform by minus 30 pixel above to show it in a little above effect like this, and background as pinkish and box shadow as little dark version of it to create a glow effect right here like you can see. Then it has taken the bubbly button as focus as outline as none, and it will going before and for the after it, its position will stay absolute, content as nothing inside, display as block, width as 140%, height as 100%, left 20, minus 20%, and z index as minus 1000. Transaction all easy in out and background in no repeat format. Then we have taken the main part of it as it will going to show the publish part how this will going to work. We have started to go right there. So we will going to display none before the key animation, top as minus 75, and then we will going to define its integrity by like this. First of all 2020 as a pinkish color of the bubbles that we have seen in the circle format, transparent 20%, and normally transparent 20% as this. Then again radius circle as normal, then normal, then circle in the circle format transparent 10%, then in the that pink color 15%, and transparent again in 20%. Radius radian real grid as circle, and then the pink in 20% and transparent again 20%, and the radius circle as similarly for the 3 times. You can copy and paste like 4 times right here. and then the background side as going to display as this. Wait a second, what has happened? Okay. So for the similarly we have defined the okay, for this time we have defined the bottom part of it and change the different as bottom as this. Let's small it up so we can see what we have written right here. Yes, right now we can see what we have written in the clearer format, as it will going to show you okay how radius grid as circle as pink 20% then similarly again copied similar format like this again happen, but change the okay, background size right here that I have written, creating the same animation like this, and to give it a smoother effect we can decrease its size to give it a like this inside out animation like stuff, and okay, background color as like very good, and box shadow as little darkest that we have seen before of it. Then okay, we have go to our bubbles part. In the start it will going to display as bubble, and this will going to happen like this, top and below, and okay, in the ease out manner and forward direction of 0.75 seconds. Then it will going to, we have taken the capable top animation as this, from the 0% to 49% it will going to remain as 5%, background position as 5%, 90, 10%, 10%, 90, 15%, 90, 25% 90, and 25% 90, and 40% 90, and 55% 90, and 70% 90, and the background for after the 50 and to 99 it will going to represent as 0 80, 0 20, 0 10 40, 20 0, 30 30, 22 50, 50 50, 65 20, and 90 and 30. Then at the last part it will going to remain as this position as 0 70 0 100 0 30 20 minus 10 30 20 22 40 50 40 65 10 90 20, and background side as then the no for the 5 times as 5 to 6 times as 0% on the 2 times, right? And then similarly we have defined the lower part of it as 10 minus 10 30 10 55 minus 10 70 minus 10 85 10 70 minus 10 and 70 and 0. Then I give 50% to 99, define the 0 80 20 80 45 60 60 100 75 70 95 60 and 105 0%. Then at the last we have defined the 0% 90 200 20 90 45 70 60 110 75 80 95 70 110 and 10%, and then the similarly like we have defined the upper part of it, heading back to the normal version of it like right here. So let's see okay, what we have concluded in the okay, last part of it as in a script, which is the basically normal part. It will we have take the variable as the okay, animate button function e will going to prevent default event that will going to happen, then it will going to reset it. Take the target as the class as animate which we have taken the in the CSS, then it will going to once targeted it will going to add it, and timeout will be set around the 0.7 seconds, and then it will going to remove it. Then the Bubbly part we have taken the class name as for the bubbly button, and the for then we have defined the number of it button's length as I variable as 0, and I plus it will be going to increase. Okay, so that's it for today. Make sure you like this video, if like and subscribe this video if you like the content like this. Make sure you subscribe, and goodbye and see ya.